going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coils and spark plugs on a 2017 Elantra. This is a sport model 2.0. So first you take your engine cover off. These are your 4 ignition coils. I had already replaced them, so this will be fairly simple and quick to explain to you guys. So the tools you need is a magnetic tray to hold these screws that hold the ignition coils down, a flathead screwdriver, a 5/8, I believe. Yeah, 5/8 socket for the spark plugs with an extension, a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, and a 10mm nut with a, you can either use a ratchet or a impact gun. So first you will take your flathead screwdriver. On this model specifically, they have these security tabs. You simply just stick your flathead screwdriver in there and then you just wiggle it to loosen that up. You'll hear a click. Once you hear that click, you simply just pull it off as you would any other clip. So once you get that off, you simply just pull it off. Take your impact or wrench, loosen those, take that out, put it on your magnetic tray, pop it out. So now you have your ignition coil right here, and then you swap it out with your new one. Your spark plug is down there. Now my suggestion to you is, before you take your spark plug out, have like a small air compressor. Like I have a small one right there, and it does just fine. Just spray air down in each of the cylinder holes to get any debris out, so when you take the spark plug out, debris doesn't fall down in the cylinder. So you simply just take your extension, put it in there. For me, I just use an impact, and it comes right out. Sometimes if your socket doesn't have a rubber bushing inside, it won't come out, so you'll have to get a magnet and pull it out just like that. And then you simply just reinstall in reverse order. So you put it back in, tighten it down. You don't have to go crazy, just enough you'll feel it want to stop. And then you put your ignition coil back in, put your nut back on. I'm sorry, not the nut, the bolt back on. Tighten that down. That neither doesn't have to be down tight. And then you just put that on. There's something that can hammer the clipping because they're kind of pain in the butt. Just like that. So now that you have all that in, that's literally it. Now you just start it up, make sure there's no misfires or anything like that, and you're good to go. If by chance you do have a misfire, then you either put the you didn't put the connector in all the way, or the ignition coil isn't seated properly, or also the spark plug may not be tightened down all the way. Other than that, it's fairly simple. If you have any questions, feel free to leave one down in the comments. If you like what you saw, subscribe, helps out the channel, and reply back for more. Thanks, guys.